Driver,
Yes, skarloey?
I don't feel so good. I have an ache in my boiler.
Well, tell you what. Later on down the line, we'll stop and we'll see what's wrong with you, okay?
Oh, okay.
What the? That hasn't happened in a while. Your springs can't be worn out. Oh my God.
What? What is it?
You're turning into some kind of monster. Here, look.
Sweet sodor, you're right. I knew there was something wrong with me.
It's alright, skarloey. We don't have to keep going, okay? Let's just... I don't know.
No. It's just... the passengers need me. Just let me take them home.
Okay, alright. We'll keep going. Skarloey? Skarloey, please. Please say something. Skarloey. Please. I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.